This the shrimp one right here, y'all. I don't know if I can show y'all. That's the shrimp. See them shrimp in there? See that right there? And that's it right there. Look at that. That's that Trini beef pie. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and today we are going to Cynthia's Caribbean Bakery here in Irvington, New Jersey, on South Orange Avenue, site on Springfield Avenue, bloopers, on Springfield Avenue, and we are here in suggestion of Curly Locks. Thanks, Curly Locks. Oh, maybe I shouldn't thank you until we go in and check it out. Let's go check out Cynthia's Caribbean Bakery. So look, man, up here in Irvington, there are a lot of businesses, you know, on the street here in Springfield Avenue. I mean, you have Spanish spots, you have Chinese spots, you got some unisex hair spots, got customers in there too. You got, what's this? Foundation, liquidation stores. And there it is, y'all. Cynthia's Caribbean Bakery and Restaurant. Let's walk up in Cynthia's and check it out, y'all. Let's see what's going on here. All right, y'all. I smell curry in the air. Looking, how y'all doing? Yo, they got some beef patties right there. It's a bakery, man. It's a bakery. We're gonna order, man, then we're gonna go eat in the car. There's the menu right there. What you guys getting? What y'all getting? You getting roti? Oh yeah, are you Trini? Oh, she said of course. Is this a Trini spot?
Yes, it is.
For real? Ah, that's what we gonna get. We gonna get some doubles then. What you know about doubles? What you know about doubles? What you know about? All right, y'all, we got our bag right here. Let's go to the car and eat it. Okay, family, we're back here in the car, and I don't know which doubles this is, but one of them, I think, was $8 for the shrimp, and then the regular doubles, you guys saw the price. You saw the price. Price was up on the screen all that time. This one here, I don't know. Look at this though, man. Look at that. Look at this right here. Look at that. Smells so good, man. It seems like it's nice and fresh. You gotta check this out, man. Let's take a look, see. Got a new double spot, maybe. Oh, see, I like it. I like it when the bread is soft like this, man. Can y'all see that? Hold up. I like this when the bread is nice and soft like this. You know, I don't like that hard bread. Let's check it out. Oh, I gotta put this in aluminum foil too. This is about to be a mess, y'all. It's about to be a mess. Hold up. The sun and the glare is messing with me. Oh, see? I like the bread texture in here, man. Can y'all see that? See how it's soft? See how the bread texture is soft? And it's a little mushy? I like that. This is that double. This is the regular doubles. It's not the shrimp, okay? If it is, I don't see no shrimp. This is the regular doubles. I think it was like $3. Right? $3. Y'all look at this. Look at the sign. Look at that. Oh, the spices. These taste freshly made. Absolutely delicious. I am glad I came here. I was like, I was gonna take a couple bites into these doubles, but it seemed like I'm finishing it off, man. Oh, I just want one more bite of this one. I just something I like about bread that's just a little soggy, you know, like them White Castle hamburgers. Oh. All right. I need to just finish this off, but I gotta keep it moving, y'all. We're going to the shrimp next. Oh my goodness, that is so good. They know what they're doing in there. The other young lady, she was in there before I start ordering. She said, "What you know about Trini food?" I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. Let's go to the shrimp doubles next. Here's the shrimp. This one's the shrimp. Shrimp. Did I say it was shrimp? Both of them felt heavy. I'm feeling them spices in my mouth. Y'all, when I want doubles, even from the doubles guy, because I was saying how the doubles guy was really good, I am going to be like, these doubles would be my choice because they're really good and really good priced. Here we go. I know, y'all. I'm going to pull this out. Let's pull this out here, man. Oh, this the shrimp. I see it. This the shrimp one right here, y'all. I don't know if I could show y'all without dropping. That's the shrimp. See them shrimp in there? See that right there? We gonna dig into this. Let me move one of these papers and put the aluminum. Oh my goodness, there it is. Oops, there it is. That shrimp fell on the floor. I'm gonna eat that shrimp. I don't care what y'all say. Sometimes you just gotta be trifling, but you can't do it on screen. But I'm gonna let y'all know what's gonna go down. And I don't care about no 3-second rule. Let me stop. I can't eat that off the floor. Oh man. This is so good, y'all. So good. At first I was looking at the shrimp. When they small like this, sometimes people can overcook them. They are not overcooked, man. Nice size though. They smaller shrimp. Oh, I am in love. I'm in love with Cynthia's Caribbean Bakery. Out here on Springfield Avenue in Irvington. Oh, look at them chickpeas trying to fall off. Oh, y'all know I be having the dropsy. Hold up. You know what I forgot? I always gotta forget something, right? I forgot my drink. I gotta wrap this up, y'all, and go get my drink. I gotta get that shrimp off the floor, y'all, before I mash it. It was a whole shrimp that fell on the floor and the chickpea. I've never had a proper beef pie, a Trini beef pie. Let's see how it is, man. That's it right there. Look at that. That's that Trini beef pie. It looked like a biscuit. It's smaller than the Jamaican beef patties. It looked like a bit. It smells like a biscuit. It smells really fresh. Wow. And it's less meat, and I can see it's less meat. But the lady was telling me, camera went off again. But the lady inside the restaurant was telling me that it's much less meat on this one here, so we definitely gonna check it out. Let's check it out. That's good. Oh, I like the bread. It's soft, it's flaky, and it's crunchy at the bottom. That's really good. I like the bread on this one better than the beef patty. Look at this. I took a big bite out of that joker, right? That bread is really, it's like moist and crunchy all at the same time and soft. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. But you're hanging with the right cat now. I love you, cats. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. If you want to join, hit the join button. If you want to support the channel in some other way, hit the $. Thanks. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Everything was good. That place gets a 10, man. I know I signed off, but look how that bread is. See how its flakiness is? And it's crunchy at the bottom? And it's just enough meat for me, you know? The doubles was $3. It was $8 for the shrimp doubles. For the TNT pie was $1.25. Dang, the soda was $3. I get that though. My total was $15.25. So the total was $15.25. I had to get back on here. That biscuit, what it tastes like, was a cross between biscuit and pie crust. It was very delicious. That's what it was. It's a cross between pie crust and a biscuit. Oh. I'm over here. Oh my goodness, I just dropped it in the back now. Joker B done looked in here and said, yo, that joker in there doing drugs. I'm going back into these shrimp doubles, okay? Because I still feel them spices in my mouth. Look at this. Sometimes I make a mistake and eat the paper when I'm eating these doubles, man. I gotta be cool. It is really nice and soggy right now. You know what I gotta do? I just gotta do it like this, y'all. I feel like the young people now, no cap, y'all. This is the truth. No cap. What does that mean? No cap, yo, no cap. This is the truth. Oh. If I pull out a fork and start eating this, some of y'all gonna be bugging. I just learned something too, right? I always wonder if my car doors locked automatically when I'm sitting here. They do, I just heard them lock. I didn't know that. I don't want to eat that paper, y'all. This is so good. I gotta move on, but I can't. I'm a happy camper. That was so delicious. It was so comforting eating. That was so delicious. It was so comforting eating that food. I'm gonna give them a 10. I'm feeling the ginger, that burn of the ginger too now. Ain't no need in playing. Oh, it's only 180 calories. It tastes like it's more. That's not bad. Okay, keep it moving.